Hey yo, we're back in the fridge, so you know what time it is. It's TikTok time, ladies and gents. And today we are making and rating a video that has over 15 million views. It is beyond viral, and it is a cheesy, beefy spaghetti pasta. I don't know what this thing is, but it looks crazy. It looks like it has potential. We're gonna make it, and then we're gonna rate it and break it down for you right here to let you know if you should make it. So without any further ado, let's go. What's going on, everybody? My name is Farnum. This is another episode of More Seasoning. I'm not wearing booty shorts today, but I've been working on my ass. We're gonna watch this video real quick. We're gonna break this thing down. Let's check out this viral meat spaghetti. Here we go.
I have been seeing this spaghetti all over my For You page, so I finally tried it, and y'all, it was so good. Start off by browning a pound of beef, add onions, bell pepper, season it with whatever you want, and then go ahead and add a jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce. Let that simmer for a bit, and then we can start working on our pasta. Today, I'm using the Fasta Pasta microwave pasta cooker. You can measure, cook, and strain pasta all in one
microwave her pasta?
Cooking, let's work on the Alfredo sauce. Melt a stick of butter, add in a little minced garlic, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and 2 cups of Parmesan.
Okay, so you're making like a little Alfredo. This ain't the best Alfredo I've ever seen. Just keeping it up.
I put the lid on, strained it, and threw it right into my casserole dish.
See, that's what
I added my Alfredo sauce, and then I topped it with my meat mixture and added.
Hold on, wait, I'm pausing. We don't usually pause during this. That pasta looked very done, and you're gonna put this in a casserole dish and bake it. It's gonna get
more mozzarella and parsley on top. Bake on 350 for 15 minutes, and then top it with more Parmesan cheese.
All right, hold on, man. I can't judge, but we're just gonna have to try it. Come on, we just gotta try it. Come on. All right, it's time to see if this recipe measures up to the hype. We're gonna start with a little. You heard the sound, bell pepper. All right, so we're gonna cut this bell pepper along the sides. All right, I'm not presenting peppers, but I did lay it out for you. You see how we did that? Now, she cuts her peppers like this. Look, she cuts them in like chunks like that, right? Me personally, I believe a fine chop will get you very far in life. So this is how we're gonna fine chop it. Nice thin strips, just like this. And then we take those, we line them up, and then we hit those with a nice, beautiful fine chop. Now look at that versus that. Ah! All right, so we got our pepper diced, but let's get to the root of the problem. You ever slice an onion up and they all end up sticking together at some point? It's because this little right here, all right? Look, if you look inside, you can see where it kind of ties everything together. So what we're gonna do, it's a new life hack. We're gonna come in here and we're just gonna cut that little scurvy out. Look at that, beautiful. And now all we have to do at this point, is there still a shell on here? We'll be right back. Now that we got a little V off our de-shelled onion, look, a little slice, another little slice. This is really hard doing while it's on your knees. Now we're gonna take our fingers and then we're just gonna do little slices. What you have here is a fine, ooh, yeah, sexy music right now. That's a fine chop. That's just sexy. Ladies and gentlemen, we got beef right here. Let's split the beef, break it up. We're gonna cook this thing, let's slide to the stove. All right, so you see this, you know what time it is. We don't need it because we have nonstick. Let's get it. All right, we got cold meat, let's make hot meat. That was a lot less lackluster than I thought it was. I'm gonna show y'all a little secret. If you flatten it out on one side and let it go for a minute or two, and you do this, look at that. We're almost there, baby. Beautiful. That looks great. All right, this is why you need a bent scraper. Watch this. Done. Done. Mix it up. Mix it up, damn it. I don't know what the I'm doing. Ciao Bella. It's Italian seasoning. Winter in Venice, Italian season. I don't even know what a Cajun accent would even be, but Cajun seasoning. Then we're going with some OP, original poster or onion powder or overpowered. We got some GP. Now we're gonna mix. Okay, so far so good. It smells amazing. I just burnt all the hairs out of my nose. Hey, if we're not making our own sauce, you know around here we're using Rayo's. Maybe we can auto-tune that or pitch shift. Anyway, Rayo's going in. She said we're just gonna put it in here and let it simmer for a little bit. So here I go. Oh, we're probably gonna have to add more than that, huh? Oh yeah, we gotta add a little more than that. If my trajectory is correct, ladies and gentlemen, we've got liftoff. I'm gonna boil my pasta in here. I'm not putting it in the microwave, but there's no point in like getting a humongous pot full of water when we can just boil it in something like this. I've never done it before, so let's try it. Stick it to the man or stick it to the butter? That was really bad. Anyway, we're going into a pot. Low heat, we're gonna melt this. We gotta cut up some garlic. Let's go. I want you to look real close. Look at the floor of the, do you know what that is? That is pressed garlic, and that is what we are putting into our sauce. I don't have anything to wipe this off with, so I'm gonna use this. All right, we got our spaghetti. Now, let's see if our little pan trick worked. I mean, looks good to me. I'm going in. Will it? Oh, hell no, it's not gonna fit. No way, should have measured. But wait, if I come in with a spoon, right? And then we just tap along the edges. I think oh, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're cooking with grease right now. Look how much water we just saved. Look at this. How long till al dente? Help me read this, y'all. All right, we got our garlic in with the melted butter. Now we're doing 2 cups of some heavy whipping cream. That's a, man, 2 cups for real? I had to use the whole damn pint. Okay, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then we gotta do 2 cups of some parm. I'd be damned if I use my good parm. So I got this block from somewhere, at some point in time. Let's do it over here. That way we can measure this out real quick. All right, now the parm goes in. Now we gonna whisk it on up, baby. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up and let it reduce. Damn, how much pepper am I supposed to put in here? What the fuck? I know you're expecting me to do the Salt Bae, but this is the crane. And now we're mixing. Now listen, I'm not gonna call myself an innovator or a creator, an inventor, but let me show y'all this pasta real quick, okay? Look how saucy and glossy and beautiful these noodles are, but look at this. There's no water left. All the water is perfectly evaporated and the pasta is literally cooked perfectly. It's got this like starchy beautifuln's to it. It's cooked perfectly. I like that. We're just waiting for this sauce right here to reduce, and then we can throw this whole, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. I mean, this thing, what is this? Is this a meat pie? What is this? Look at this dog. What is that, man? Jamari keeps saying that looks like dog food. We're gonna see what this tastes like. I don't know. All right, so I believe we've reached the required thickness for this. Let's give this a little taste, just because I'm curious what the hell we even got going on here. Okay, that literally tastes exactly like shrimp scampi. Like I'm almost like, did a shrimp fall in there? So check it out. We've got some beautiful noodles. We've got some faux shrimp scampi, and we got a meat pie. And now all we're gonna do is combine the 3. All right, here we go with the experimental waterless pasta. Damn, that was actually a lot more pasta than I thought it was gonna be. All right, now we're going in with the scampi sauce. So we're just gonna do exactly what she did. Layer it on there. I don't know about this, man. I just don't know how these flavors are gonna line up. Personally, I'm not seeing how it's gonna work. Y'all, I'm not kidding. It literally just smells like some shrimp scampi in here. Hey y'all, let me show you the meat right there, right on top. Go ahead and layer the sides. Boom, just like that, lay it down. All right, then we're going mozzarella on top. She said more mozzarella, but I mean, we have literally not used mozzarella yet, so parsley. And y'all might be like, dang, that dry parsley looks good. Well, it's not dry. I just very, very, very finely cut it up because I'm that guy. Look at this meat pasta casserole is going in 350. I got low expectations for this, just so y'all know. Maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. Ladies and gentlemen, I have low expectations for this TikTok spaghetti meat sauce. Jacqueline came in, she said it smelled amazing, but I mean, I don't know how I'm feeling about this thing. Give it a little look-see-do. I mean, she just said it. She said if it tastes anything like it smells, it'll be amazing. But I don't know, for some reason, I'm like, I gotta go work out in a minute. I feel like it's gonna give me an upset stomach.
For sure it's gonna give you an upset stomach.
All right, just so we have an unbiased opinion. Here's Jacqueline, give it a mouth fan.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, it's good? Wait, you're around. You're capping, are you serious?
I would eat an entire plate of this with garlic bread.
Oh, God. Are you serious? I don't believe this. How is my opinion so wrong? All right, here we go. It's like, it tastes better the more you chew. First off, let me just say this. I love the texture of the noodles. I don't know how they didn't overcook. They're delicious. The meat sauce, fire, and honestly, the very overpowered scampi flavor that I was talking to you guys about over there, which is why I was like, this is not gonna be good. It has been so dulled down by the noodles and the meat sauce and the cheese on top that it's really good. I'm not giving it a 5-star. There's definitely some things that we can do to make this a little bit better. It's definitely, I'll give it a 4 though. I would definitely make this. This is, if you're going somewhere and you need to bring a casserole, bring this. I mean, hold on, let me get some of this meat in my mouth.
Ew.
Hey, yo. Ladies and gentlemen, I have never been so wrong about something that I thought was gonna be gross in my life. The fact that everyone around me said that it was delicious, and it was good. Listen, it threw me for a loop, but it's definitely worth making. I would say that is a primary candidate for a potluck. So on a star scale, we gave it 4, but also if you haven't made it this far already, scroll down, hit the like, subscribe button, drop a comment. My name is Farnum, this is More Seasoning. That is the viral TikTok spaghetti casserole, and yeah, I mean, try it, it's pretty good. We out. Done?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah,